Guys, the way that you can get the Roblox voice chat without using your ID is to use your phone number. If you head over to settings right here, and you'll see I need to add a phone number, but you also need to see here, it says my account location is in Denmark. Now, the problem with this is only some countries can use the voice chat with only the phone number. Some of them are like UK, the US, Germany, and these sorts of locations. So if you're in any of those locations and you add your phone number, you should be able to go into privacy and you should be able to see your microphone in here. However, if you cannot see it when you add your phone number, what you need to do is you need to use a VPN when you create your account. So go on a VPN and choose one of those countries. Let's say you choose America. Create a country and your account location should say United States. And after that, what you want to do is verify your phone number there. And then in privacy, you should be able to see it. Now, I don't know why, but for some reason, only some countries can have the phone number and use voice chat. And for other countries, you need to actually use your ID. So if you're not in those countries, simply use a VPN, make the account with the VPN, so your account location is that. And then you just want to add the phone number, go into your privacy and allow the microphone. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I've seen 2 of my friends do this and it worked for both of them, so it should also work for you. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.